Themed bedrooms. Themed bedrooms are a delightful way to bring a child's imagination to life, creating a personalized space that reflects their interests, dreams, and personality. These bedrooms are designed around a specific concept or idea, such as a beloved hobby, favorite character, or dream environment. Adventure-themed rooms, for example, transport children to exotic jungles. Thrilling safaris, or mysterious pirate ships, often featuring wall murals of lush greenery, animal motifs, treasure chests, or tented beds resembling explorers' campsites. Fantasy-themed rooms, on the other hand, are perfect for children who dream of magical worlds, with designs inspired by fairy tales, castles, or enchanted forests, complete with twinkling fairy lights, canopy beds, and whimsical decor elements like unicorns or dragons. Sports-themed rooms cater to budding athletes and sports enthusiasts, incorporating decor like team logos, stadium murals, or furniture designed to resemble sports equipment, making the room both inspiring and energizing. Space-themed rooms ignite curiosity about the universe, using glow-in-the-dark stars, rocket-shaped beds, and planet-inspired decor to create a galactic adventure right at home. For kids who love vehicles, transportation-themed rooms showcase cars, trains, airplanes, or boats, often with beds shaped like their favorite vehicles and accessories that mimic road signs or control panels. Themed bedrooms are not just about aesthetics. They encourage creativity and play, fostering an environment where children can explore their passions while feeling comfortable and inspired. Each theme can be further tailored to fit the child's specific preferences, ensuring the space feels uniquely theirs. Minimalist bedrooms. Minimalist kids' bedrooms are designed to embrace simplicity, functionality, and a clutter-free aesthetic, focusing on creating a serene and organized space that promotes calm and creativity. In these rooms, the emphasis is placed on clean lines, neutral or muted color palettes, and multifunctional furniture to make the most of the available space. Furniture is typically simple and streamlined, such as low-profile beds with built-in storage, open shelving for easy access to essentials, and desks that double as creative or study spaces. Decorative elements are kept to a minimum, often consisting of a few thoughtfully chosen pieces like a statement wall art, soft area rugs, or minimalist lighting fixtures. These rooms avoid excessive patterns or bright, overpowering colors, instead favoring soft tones like whites, grays, beiges, or pastel accents to create a peaceful environment. Storage solutions are cleverly integrated, such as under bed drawers, wall-mounted cabinets, or baskets, to ensure everything has its place without disrupting the visual harmony of the room. Minimalist kids' bedrooms often inspire independence and organization in children, teaching them to value simplicity and maintain their space. Despite the simplicity, these rooms can still reflect the child's personality through subtle, curated elements like personalized bedding, a favorite plush toy, or a neatly displayed collection of books or art supplies. By prioritizing functionality and aesthetic balance, minimalist bedrooms create a timeless space that adapts as the child grows, making them a practical yet stylish choice for modern living. Playful bedrooms. Playful bedrooms are designed to spark creativity, imagination, and fun, making them the ultimate haven for children to explore, dream, and play. These rooms go beyond the basics of sleeping and studying by incorporating elements that encourage physical activity, creative thinking, and relaxation in a whimsical and engaging environment. Key features of playful bedrooms include dedicated play zones with fun installations such as climbing walls, indoor slides, or monkey bars to promote active play and adventure. Often, these rooms include furniture designed to double as play equipment, such as beds shaped like tree houses, castles, or race cars. Bright and cheerful colors dominate the palette, complemented by imaginative decor like themed murals, rugs, or wallpapers that transport children into magical worlds of jungles, outer space, or enchanted forests. Storage is cleverly integrated through playful solutions like toy chests that resemble treasure boxes, built-in shelves shaped like clouds, or under-bed compartments to keep the space tidy without compromising the fun. Playful bedrooms can also feature creative corners equipped with easels, chalkboards, or crafting tables, enabling kids to unleash their artistic talents. With lighting options like fairy lights, starry ceiling projectors, or mood lamps, these spaces exude a cozy yet dynamic atmosphere. Designed to cater to a child's unique interests and developmental needs, playful bedrooms are vibrant, multifunctional sanctuaries where kids can grow, learn, and let their imaginations run wild. Arts and crafts rooms. Arts and crafts rooms are designed to inspire creativity and provide a dedicated space where kids can explore their artistic talents. These rooms are vibrant and functional, featuring workstations tailored for drawing, painting, sculpting, or crafting. A large sturdy table or a height-adjustable desk serves as the central workspace, paired with comfortable seating. Storage solutions are a key element, including open shelves, bins, and drawers to organize supplies like markers, paints, brushes, scissors, glue, and crafting paper. The walls are often decorated with pegboards, chalkboards, or corkboards to display tools, artwork, or project ideas. Some rooms may have easels, whiteboards, or rollable paper for spontaneous creativity. Bright lighting, both natural and artificial, ensures the space is well lit for detailed work. Safety is also considered, with child-friendly materials and proper organization to prevent clutter or mishaps. To enhance inspiration, the decor might feature motivational quotes, colorful artwork, or nature-inspired themes. This space is not only about creating but also about learning, as it encourages kids to develop skills like focus, patience, and problem-solving while having fun. With its dynamic design and focus on creativity, an arts and crafts room becomes a haven for young artists to express themselves freely and grow their imaginations.